Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to this video, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the smartphones, the Samsung smartphones that are going to receive or has already received the Android Pie update. So Samsung's officially announced the smartphones that are going to receive the Android Pie update. So these are the list of Samsung smartphones, Samsung Galaxy smartphones that are scheduled or has already received the Android Pie update. As we speak, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus has already received Android Pie update. The models that are yet to receive the Pie update but are scheduled to get the update are the Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, Tab S4 10.5, Galaxy A6, Galaxy A6 Plus, Galaxy A7, Galaxy A8 Plus, the A8 Star, Galaxy A9, Galaxy J2 2018, Galaxy J2 Core, Galaxy J4, Galaxy J6 Plus, Galaxy On 7 2018, Galaxy J4 Plus, Galaxy J6, Galaxy J8, Galaxy J7 2017, Galaxy J7 Duo, Galaxy J7 Neo, Galaxy Tab S3 9.7, Galaxy Tab A 2017 and Galaxy Tab A 10.5. So in the Android Pie update for Samsung Galaxy smartphones, Samsung has included a huge upgrade in terms of their UI, because from Android Pie the smartphones will be upgraded to the new One UI for Samsung smartphones. The One UI will have a whole new look, so you can expect a complete change in the user interface of your smartphone after updating to Android Pie. The One UI is supposed to be very user intuitive and it should be optimized for one-handed use, which is really great. Also, there will be changes in the notification in the Samsung keyboard. Floating keyboard will be available. There will be changes to the always on display. There will be changes to the settings as well. You can also expect improvements in Bixby after updating to Android Pie, and there will be many more upgrades and optimizations like in the camera, the gallery, etc. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys found the video useful. If you did find it useful, do hit that like button below and also press the subscribe button for more awesome contents.